Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we've got today's top 5 plants and things that would make great Mother's Day gifts. So we've got about 5 different items, and we're going to show you things that would be fantastic gifts for Mother's Day. I know I would love to receive these. This is a double flowering plum. So double flowering plum are ornamental. That means they don't produce an edible fruit. They are such a showstopper of blooms in the springtime. Look at these blooms. They're so pretty. They're hardy for here. So you could plant this in part shade all the way to full sun. You have seen these probably driving around. It won't be long and they'll be blooming naturally outside. I know that in Mornville, I see lots when I drive around. They're such a beautiful shrub. So we have lots of this size in stock. You can take a look on our website if you want to see what other shrubs and things we have in store. But this is a sure favorite. And yeah, it's stunning. So pretty. I think this would be a great gift. Our next item for our top 5 today is not a plant, but a picture of a plant. So the Stained Glass girls, Haley and Ashley, have brought us a line of stepping stones. Now these are glass. Can you see that it's glass? They are absolutely beautiful. So we have a new line of stones from them. They are in the bottom of Will's cupboard. That's where our antiques are. And yeah, they're very heavy. They are cement. So beautiful glass and like very, very well put together. I have another item from them I'm going to show you as well. The girls have been bringing in a lot more pieces of stained glass. So this would hang. It's very beautiful. These are orchids and we have lots of pieces from them. They're all different. We have that pattern in the stepping stones in different colors. But yeah, these are something I would treasure. You might treasure for a long time. Things like stained glass do not go out of style. So very beautiful decor. And for the next 3 items, we're going to show you some different hanging baskets. This giant one here is a Mahalo hummingbird. So it's got the vine in it, beautiful, huge petunia baskets. I really can't back up any farther. It's so pretty. We have lots of these. And Ryder and Tyler, the plant guys, were here tonight and they brought them all down because they were really high up in the roof. So absolutely gorgeous baskets. This can be grown in part sun to full sun is best, but if you only have part shade, it'll do all right. Our next item are our fancy baskets. So these are beautiful. These are planted with Nonstop Joy pink begonias. Grow this in shade to partial sun. So keep it out of the sun during noon to 5 when it could get a sunburn. To keep your begonias blooming gigantic blooms. You've got the main bloom here, the big one, and they always make a side bloom. Nip that off and the main blooms will be bigger on the plant. So again, this is it's called the Joy Begonia Fancy Basket. We have a limited supply of these and they're fairly young. This vine here is dichondra. It's going to trail like 3-4 feet long, does really well. And the begonias will get super full. So again, we've got them and you're not going to really find these anywhere else. Our final item for today's top 5 things that would make great Mother's Day gifts is our curb appeal basket. Every once in a while, pretty much every year, we get a plant that blooms and gives us a really cool surprise. So typically the curb appeal is this hot pink and the yellow. This year we got this beautiful Arizona sky blooming in it as well. So one of our trays was mislabeled. I'm thinking it was the yellow. The yellow was mislabeled. And we got this really cool mix, which I am not upset about. It is really pretty. This is petunias, so they'll grow best in part to full sun, but they will grow okay in part shade. Thanks for watching today's top 5 plants and things that would make great Mother's Day gifts. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.